Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog foods for weight gain, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bully Max High Performance Super Premium Dog Food. If you're looking for dog food for weight gain and stamina, look no further than Bully Max High Performance Dog Food. This dry dog food is a top-rated brand with 5 stars that includes a meat-based formula sure to help your dog create healthy eating habits. There are 535 calories in a single serving and are also packed full of protein and beneficial fats. One feature that really helps set this brand apart from the rest is that only high-quality natural ingredients are included as opposed to soy or wheat. Natural ingredients alone make this dog food worth the price advertised. This dry dog food for weight gain is ideal for use as a long-term diet plan for larger dog breeds, as it ensures that they gain both a healthy amount of weight and muscle. Unlike other brands, this dog food is perfect for all breeds, even small Yorkies or Chihuahuas. However, your dog must be at least 4 weeks old before consuming Bully Max. Bully Max's high-performance premium dog food provides essential weight-gaining calories and protein stemming from its purely meat-based formula. Moving on at number 4, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Rocky Mountain Recipe. Blue Buffalo is a well-established dog food brand who are known for their high-quality products that can meet the special needs of pets. This particular dog food allows you to both save money and also make sure your dog gains a substantial, yet a steady amount of weight. All the essential protein is included in this dog food for weight gain recipe along with healthy fruits and vegetables that contain antioxidants, an important part of a healthy diet. The bag sizes available for this dog food are 4 pounds and 22 pounds, giving you the option of a short-term or long-term investment with each purchase. Another benefit is that no chicken meal is included within the recipe and formula, as well as any preservatives or artificial flavor additives. If you are looking for a quick way to help your dog gain weight on a budget, this is your best bet. It is important to consider its meat-based formula that includes bison, an ingredient whose quality is unmatched in this price range. All natural ingredients are usually found in higher price ranges, so this dry dog food for weight gain is a great value. At number 3, we have the Crave Grain-Free Adult Dry Dog Food. Crave is one of the best dog food brands if you are looking for dry dog foods to help your dog of any breed gain weight, especially if they prefer seafood. The recipe and formula for Crave slightly differ from the other brands, as it contains salmon as its main ingredient. The salmon used is authentic and is a fantastic source of protein for your dog. It is also safe to say that your dog's overall well-being and activeness level will increase due to the healthy carbohydrates that can be used as an energy source. The high protein content stemming from its standout formula is also another bonus, ensuring that your dog will gain much-needed weight and muscle, no matter the size or breed. At number 2, we have the Purina Pro Plan Sport Formula Dog Food. Purina Pro Plan Sport is a special dry dog food that can help your dog pack on weight in a healthy way. The sport-inspired formula is ideal for most dog breeds, especially for dogs that compete in competitions or are more active. The main ingredient in this dog food for weight gain is real chicken. There is an astounding amount of protein and fat that specifically caters to your dog's metabolic needs and muscle-retaining abilities. This dog food includes multiple health-based additives, such as essential amino acids that help prevent your dog's muscles from cramping or aching during much-needed exercise and fitness periods. That way, whether it be training for a competition or a simple stroll through the park, your dog is covered. The ingredient that makes this dog food stand out is its amino acids. They can help your dog grow at a healthy rate, which is just one reason we highly recommend this dog food for weight gain. And finally at number 1, we have the Purina One True Instinct High Protein Dry Dog Food. Although it is one of the most common dog food brands, Purina One True Instinct High Protein Dry Dog Food is another effective way to help your dog reach a healthy weight. If your dog is a picky eater, besides 100% real beef, this dry dog food is also mixed with salmon, guaranteed to whip up an appetite. Each serving of True Instinct dog food contains 32% of protein and is formulated entirely without grain, even though there are some sources of potato source ingredients as the leading vegetable in the formula. Thankfully, no corn, wheat, or harmful soy products are included in the recipe. Helpful vitamins and minerals, such as glucosamine, are included in every serving. Pairing with its use of real beef as the #1 ingredient, this makes it a premium choice. Purina One True Instinct has all of the basics your dog needs for both gaining and maintaining a healthy weight in relation to its size. From simple vitamins and minerals to a high count of protein, this dog food provides a great start in improving your dog's overall well-being and bulking up. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.